Eteläinen Hesperiankatu, Hesperiankatu, 32 BC, and there are 3 staircases in this residential building. We're going to go to the section speed and elevator. Asunto on Hesperiankatu 32. Helsinki is supposed to be. You get past these 3 persons on the courtrooms, and also Kone fixtures. They built for all the Otis elevator. It was built in 1927. Turning 95 years old in the next year, 2022, and the serial number is 14402. It was launched in 1996 with Kone fixtures. It's going to be expected in 2023. This modernization is turning 25 years old this year in 2021, possibly late 1996.
Yeah.
Because there are red lights. The floor 4 has been changed.
Yeah.
The floor 4 was probably changed in the early 2000s.
Mm. And it has better button than other ones.
The 4 is better.
Yeah. The one is also very nice, of course.
Yeah, of course. We'll do a second sound ride. Someone renovating.
Yeah.
But renovations are going on anywhere these times.
Yeah.
But sometimes there is help from renovations.
Expected parking lines to maintained by Kone.
If they keep the doors open, then there's help from it.
That's